Number one is introduction. Introduction to the internet. I think you are in ninth standard. You all are familiar with the words internet and the use of the internet and the scope of the internet. Now, internet stands for International Network of Computers. It stands for International Network of Computers. It is the largest information database. Internet that is spreads globally. It spreads all over the world. It spreads all over the world. That is why we are saying that. That is why we are saying that we can take the information from any area, from any city also. Now, it is the largest information database because we can take the information globally, or we can take the information worldwide. That's why we are saying that it is the largest information database. Data means where the data is where we kept the data. That is known as database. Now it has become an important part of our lives. That's why, because it contains lots of information as a database, it has become an important part of our lives. You know very well now the internet is very very important in our lives. Tasks that we earlier performed through personal interaction, such as banking, shopping, communication, now can be done online. Task that we are doing are in earlier पुराने time में, earlier at past, the task that we perform through interaction, मतलब face to face, through face to face, such as banking, shopping, communication, now can be done online. If you want to, अगर हम पास्ट की बात करें, if you want to purchase anything, then you have to go to the shop. If you want to do the transactions, if you want to withdraw the money or deposit the money, then you have to go to the money and stand in a queue, wait for your turn. If you want to communicate your friend, relative that are in the another company and another city, then you have to go there to talk him. Now these all things can be done online within a seconds, within a minutes. You can get your results also. You can get your feedback also. The internet has brought the world closer. That's why we are saying that the internet has brought the world closer, because we are getting the information within seconds, within minutes. और विदिन मिनट्स हमारी चैटिंग, हम जो किसी को लिखना चाहते हैं, हाय हेलो हाउ आर यू, विदिन सेकेंड्स वो सामने वाले के पास पहुंच जाता है, और वी कैन receive the feedback within seconds. That's why we are saying that the internet has brought the world closer, making everything much more accessible and convenient. We are getting it, we are getting the messages, we are getting the online products, we are getting the banking services very easily, and they are much more accessible to us. You can, accessible matlab you can get it easily or conveniently. Now the scope of the internet is growing with each passing day. The scope of the internet is growing day by day. The use of the internet is growing day by day. The users are growing day by day, because internet is very 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 important part of our lives. Next, uses of computers in various fields. 1 minute. Now, uses of computer in various fields. It can be used in the education field, industry field. You see my mouse pointer in the slides? Okay. Now look there and concentrate here. Uses of computer, uses of internet in the various fields. In education field, you can use the internet very very conveniently, easily, and it is more important now. Now in the industry also, now in the medical field also, now to entertain yourself also. Okay. Next is the internet is used. You can, by using the internet, you can online advertise yourself, your product, your company, whatever. You can get the messages through the magazines. You can get the news by using the internet. You can get the recipes. You can see the movies, play games. You can play games, watch movies, sing song, record song. Now listen the songs, and so on. You know very well, and actually you are doing this in your daily life also. Next is, what do you mean by internet? Internet क्या होता है? Now internet is a network of networks which consist of interconnected network. Internet is a network. What do you mean by network? When two or more things connected to each other. Okay, it creates network. So it is a network of networks. It is a network of so many networks. Okay, which consist of interconnected network to each other. They are interconnected to each other. Okay. Now it is a worldwide network of computer that uses common communication standards. It is a Why we are saying that it is a worldwide network, because we are using it globally. At in the first slide, it was written over there. Internet stands for international network, because because we are using the internet worldwide. We are using it globally. Okay. Now using internet, you can read your newspaper, magazines. You can see the books, listen to music, watch movies. You can play the games, keep yourself updated with the current event through the magazine, through the newspaper, and so on. Go for online shopping, know about recipes, check airline schedules. You can check railway. You can do railway reservation and send email, and much more you can do by using the internet. You can do the transactions also. You can do the transactions by the bank also. Okay. Now come to the point. What do you mean by www? You know, you all are familiar with the word www. The www, or World Wide Web, or simple web, is a way of accessing information about the internet. What do you mean by www? The full form is World Wide Web, or we can say that it is a way. It is the way of accessing information about the internet. About the internet, by using the internet, you can get any type of information by using www, World Wide Web. It contains millions of documents. We can't able to count the number of documents or number of pages. It contains millions of documents.
मैं आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Numbers.
Of bunch of pages. Okay, that is called web pages through hyperlink, via hyperlink. Each page contain text. What do you mean by web page? The digital page. You can say that the digital page that you are looking in any website, that is known as web page. It contains the information. It contains the data like text, graphics, videos, audios, and linked to other pages through hyperlink. Linked to other pages means if we click on one page, then automatically, if we click on heading of one page, blue colored or blue underlined sentence or word, if you click on this, then the another page will open through hyperlink. Okay. Now the web uses the hypertext transfer protocol for transfer of these documents over the internet. Over the internet, documents will go through easily. You can receive the documents easily. You can send the document easily. So this transfer of the document is possible only through the protocols. These transfer of the files, folders, audio, video, whatever, is possible only through the protocol. This protocol, HTTP, the full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next, how does the WW work? It works on client server technology. How does www World Wide Web work? It works on the client server technology. You know it very well if you understand it. Okay, now this is the client, this is the server over here. What do you mean by client? The user or the person that are using the system, that is known as client. Okay, now the server which provide the which provide some of which provide almost the facilities, almost the result request that you request that you want regarding the regarding any information, that is known as servers. Now when a client or your computer when a client or your computer makes a request for a web page, that information is processed by the web server. If this client, you can say you yourself or myself. I may be client or you may be the client. Okay. Now, when this client makes a request for a web page, that information is processed by the web server. If this client want any information regarding any topic, so this request is sent to the server, and this request is sent to this server, makes a request for a web page. That information is processed by the web server. This information will be processed by this web server. If the request is a server side script, if the request is server side script, before the information this is returned to the client, the script is executed on the server and the results of the scripts returned to the client. Okay, and finally the result of the script is returned to the client. Now, once the client receives the returned information, once the client receives the return information from the server, if it contains the client side script, your computer browser executes that script. Your computer browser script executes that script before displaying one minute, students. Yes. Once the client receives the return information from the server, if it contains a client-side script, your computer browser executes that script before displaying that web page. Okay. Now, features of the www, features of World Wide Web. First is availability of content. This means that you can get any type of information 24/7. 24/7 मीन्स 24 घंटे में कभी भी किसी भी तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन हम इंटरनेट से ले सकते हैं रिगार्डिंग एनी टॉपिक. रात में 3 बजे, सुबह 2 बजे, 4 बजे, रात में 3 बजे, 2 बजे, सुबह 4 बजे उठ के भी आप इंटरनेट चलाओगे. You can get the information regarding any topic. Now, the information on the web is available 24/7. Okay, 24 घंटे available रहती है information. The data is updated in real time and made accessible to the users of the web page. The data is updated in real time. If the current event is happened, then it is updated. Then you will get the information. Okay, updated in the real time. Most of the websites are open to everyone. Almost of the websites are open to everyone. Next is hypertext or hyperlink. What is the difference between hypertext? Text. What do you mean by the word text? Text means the letters, the sentence that are written in the computer, MS Word, whatever. Okay. Hypertext and hyperlink. Hypertext are the pointers to information for HTML pages. Hypertext are the pointers to information for HTML pages. They may contain images, audios, videos, animation and hyperlinks in it. Okay. Hypertext क्या होता है? Um, have you seen any word or sentence blue colored or blue underlined? Blue colored or blue underlined sentence or word, that is hypertext. Okay, and if you click on this text, because this is hyperlink also. Okay, if you click on this text, you will get the symbol like this, that is hyperlinks symbol. Okay, if you click on this blue colored or a blue colored or blue underlined text or sentence or word, you will get, if you put your mouse pointer there, you will get the pointer like that. Okay, raising hand, you will get a pointer like that. This means that this something is linked there, something is linked there also. So hypertext are the pointers to information for HTML pages. They may contain images, audios, videos, animation and hyperlinks in it. They are highlighted text in the HTML documents which link to information within the same page or to other document. If you click on this blue colored or blue underlined word or sentence, you will get this type of icon. And if you click on this, then another page or linked page will open. Okay, because there is a linking. There is hypertext and hyperlink also. Now, they are highlighted text in the HTML documents which link to information within the same page or to other documents also. Hyperlinks allow the web users to choose their path across information on the web. Now, quick search. You can search any type of information using the internet. The search engines of the web allow easy and efficient search process of information. You just type the you just type the word or sentence that you want. Okay, in the address bar. So when you enter, you will get the result on your screen regarding any topic. So this data facilitates the quest for information by millions of users across the globe. Now focus on shared interest. You focus on shared interest. The World Wide Web brings the people with common interests together. The World Wide Web brings the people with common interests together from different locations of the world. Okay, from different locations of the world, people with common interests together. Okay, now users can exchange resources as well as ideas and can also take benefit from it. Okay, users can exchange their resources, their ideas, and can take the benefit from them. Now the difference between the internet and www. Okay, now internet. Internet is defined as worldwide network of millions of computers. Okay, it is defined as worldwide network, means network which is spread worldwide. Okay, internet is defined as a worldwide network of millions of computers connected to each other through various connecting devices like cables, Wi-Fi, modem, etc. to share data and information. Okay, internet is defined as worldwide network of millions of computers connected to each other through connecting devices like cables, Wi-Fi, modem to share what? To share data and information. In place of this, what do you mean by www? www or World Wide Web is a set of programs and protocols which determines the manner of creating and displaying the multimedia files on the internet, which determines or which manage, you can say which manage. Worldwide is a set of programs or protocols which manage the manner of creating and displaying the multimedia files on the internet. Such files usually are a combination of text, images, audios, videos, and hyperlinks. Okay, these files can be combination of text, images, audios, videos, and hyperlinks. Now internet, it offers, okay, listen the word properly, it offers various services. Internet offers various services such as email, chatting, instant messaging services, just like WhatsApp, instant messaging services, research database, discussion to groups, FTP, file transfer protocol, Telnet, and many more. It offers the services. Internet offers these services like chatting, messaging, research database, file transfer protocol, discussion, instant messaging, social networking, and so on. Now, World Wide Web, what do you mean by World Wide Web? What it do? It is one of the service available on the internet. Internet क्या करता है? Service it offers various service offer करता है आपको. और www क्या करता है? It is one of the service available on the internet. Internet जो service available है उसमें से एक service है www. Okay. Now, what do you mean by this? Now, come to the point. Internet, it is administered by the Internet Protocol. Internet is administered by the Internet Protocol. That is, in short, we are saying it as IP, Internet Protocol. Now, www, it is managed by Hypertext Transfer Protocol, that is HTTP. It is managed by Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now come to the web terminology. Okay, what do you mean by web terminal? These are the some words. In next class we will start programming in HTML. So before this you have to listen it properly. Web terminology. First is HTML. Okay, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a language. It is a hypertext markup language. HTML elements are the basic building blocks of a web page. The elements or tags that we are using in HTML language to build the blocks of a web page. Actually, HTML language is used to create the web page. It is used to make the web page. This language is used to create the web pages. And as there is in HTML language, we will use HTML elements, or we can say HTML tags, to create the web page. It is used to set the structure, layout, and appearance of the web page on the World Wide Web. How your web page should be look like? What will be the structure? What will be the layout of your web page? How it will appear? Okay, how your web page will be appear on the World Wide Web. These all things you will do by using this HTML language. How your how your web page will appear? What will be its structure? What will be its layout? These all things you will design by using the HTML language. Now, the HTML page can display. It can have the web page. The HTML page can have text, graphics, and use hyperlinks to interact with other web pages. Okay, to interaction with the other web page, it have text, graphic, hyperlink, tables, and so on. Next, web page. What do you mean by the word web page? Okay. Now, a web page is written using HTML language. I told you, by using the HTML language, you can design your web page. Okay, a web page is written using the HTML and is stored on a web server. When it will design, then it will stored on a web server. You can say it is a digital page. You can say a web page is a digital page which may contain, जिसमें क्या क्या होता है, which may contain text, hyperlink, audio, video, images, tables, and etc. and so on. है ना? एक वेब पेज में किस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन होती है? It can contain text, hyperlink, audio, video, images, table, etc. Now, Each web page is identified by a unique web address called Uniform Resource Locator. Each web page is identified. Each web page has its own address. Each web page has its own address. Okay, that is a unique web address of that particular web page. In short, we are saying that URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. Next is what do you mean by website? What do you mean by website? We can say collection of so many web pages is known as website. You can say website is a collection of related web pages which contain images, audio, video, or other digital media and set under the same domain name, which is the address of the website. Okay, a website is a collection of web pages, related web pages that contain images, audio, video, image tables, and other digital media also, and set under the same domain name. Domain name .com, .edu, .in. Okay, that is known as domain name. आगे आप पढ़ेंगे इसे. Set under the domain name, which is the address of the website. What do you mean by domain name? Which is the address of the website. Address of the website. Address of the web page is different. That is called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. And address of the website is different. We are calling it as domain name. Okay. Now these pages are written in hypertext markup language by using these pages means web page are written using the hypertext markup language and can be accessed through internet. These web pages can be written by using the hypertext markup language, that is HTML, and can be accessed through internet by using the internet. Now, what do you mean by web browser? What do you mean by the word browse? To search. The browser means which will search to, okay, search करने वाला. Now web browser, a web browser is a software. A web browser is a software which is used to view websites. It is a software to view the website, to search the website. Okay, it is an interface between the user and the World Wide Web. What do you mean by web browser? It is the interface between the user and the World Wide Web. A web browser can have graphical user interface. A web browser has graphical user interface, that is GUI, and graphical user interface like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, or can be text based like Linux. Okay.